Hello everyone, I'm Ovi, your virtual chef, and today we are in Vernelles-Bains, a charming French town known for its excellent gastronomy and picturesque landscapes. We are going to prepare a delicious recipe, duck magret with pear sauce and cherry tomatoes. Before we begin, we'll discover a bit about its origins. The term magret comes from French and refers to the fillet of duck breast. This recipe is a classic of French cuisine, famous for its delicate flavor and juicy texture. It gained popularity in the 19th century in southwestern France, where farmers raised ducks to produce foie gras and used the breast to prepare this exquisite dish. For this recipe, we will need the following ingredients: duck magret, salt, pepper, red onions, although any type can be used, soy sauce, pears, butter, and white or brown sugar. And in addition, we will also use cherry tomatoes. First, we'll get to work on the sauce. In a pan, add a generous amount of olive oil and finely chopped onion. Let it slowly saute over low heat, stirring occasionally so it releases all its juices and becomes soft and translucent. Once the onion is sauteed, we remove the pan from the heat, drain the excess oil, and set the onion aside on a plate. In the same pan, we add butter over low heat until it melts completely. Then we incorporate the sugar, mixing it well until it caramelizes. When the sauce takes on a darker color and thickens, we add the peeled and diced pears. Over low heat, we mix the pears with the sugar and butter until they soften and are perfectly blended. We mix the caramelized onion with the pear mixture to blend the flavors well. Then, we add the halved cherry tomatoes and carefully incorporate them, allowing them to cook over low heat. We stir occasionally to ensure the mixture becomes homogeneous and the tomato juices add a fresh and delicious touch. We let it simmer over low heat so the cherry tomatoes soften properly, mixing gradually without breaking their texture. We adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to balance the flavors and continue stirring. Finally, we set the sauce aside, keeping it warm to accompany the duck magret. We take the duck magret out of the fridge, making sure to do so at least half an hour in advance so it reaches room temperature. Then, we season it with salt and pepper on the skin side, spreading them evenly to enhance its flavor during cooking. With a sharp knife, we make diagonal cuts in the skin of the duck magret, creating small diamond shapes. This step not only helps the skin brown evenly, but also allows it to release its fat during cooking, enhancing both its flavor and texture. In a cold pan, we place the duck magret skin side down and turn the heat to low. We allow the fat to melt gradually, letting the skin brown slowly. We cook it for about 5 minutes, or until the skin is well brown and crispy. Then, we flip the duck magret and cook on the opposite side for about 2 more minutes. Next, we sear the duck magret on both sides, ensuring that it develops a golden brown crust on the outside while keeping the interior juicy and tender. Finally, we remove the duck magret from the pan and carefully place it on a plate. With a sharp knife, we slice it following the direction of the cuts in the skin, obtaining thin and juicy slices that enhance its presentation. Finally, we serve it with our sauce. And voila! Bon appetit! Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date. Until the next dish,